Winding tidy hanks of ribbon.
I'm going to use this measuring tape to demonstrate the technique, but you can do this with anything. So to start down here at the end, you hold it between thumb and forefinger at the very end on one side. Manage the ribbon by pulling it through your fingers so that you have this flat surface is always facing upward. You extend your pinky like this, go around, crossover, around, crossover, around, crossover. So you're doing a figure 8 around the 2 pins of your forefinger and your pinky. And you can do this until your figure 8 gets really thick. At the end, we would reconcile it by wrapping the ribbon around itself and tucking it back through. And then you have a nicely organized length of flat media. The advantage to this is it's much faster than rolling it back up on a spool. It's still going to have kinks in it. You have to iron it out if you need it to be completely flat, of course. But it doesn't have that natural spiral to it that comes from ribbon being pulled off of a spool.
In the craft department, we sold ribbon and trim by the yard. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell for notifications of new content. Join me every Thursday for a live studio stream at 3 p.m.